Nice little job for the weekend. Mate of mine snapped his little light off. It's rattling about. Worried Volvo might get him when he's out. So we'll take it up to my spot and weld her up. It'll take 2 minutes, see if I can get it out of here without crashing into anything. Oh, fuck me. I tell you, Owsy drives this thing all day. It's like 4-wheel steering, so it just wants to go forwards, not sideways, you know what I mean? I'm not saying I'm the best wagon driver in the planet, like, because I am certainly not. Right, let's get her up here. Get in close as we can. I tell you what, I'll pull up here. I'll pull up here, and then nobody can bloody moan, can they? If I pull it up like that, she's close there, won't she? Wrong button. You know, I don't really know what all these knobs and buttons do. I'll just keep pressing them. Right. Up the dilly dots. My mum used to say that. Right, hang on, which one's the up button? Oh, here we go. Is it that one? No, that one. Not that one. There we go. Up she goes. We'll have that down. Come on, girl. Right, I'll leave you there. That should be enough up there, won't it? There's his phone number, just in case you need any grabbing and going. Right, turn that valve over there, lift that up there. I'll lift it up higher, it'll give me some warning when it comes down, won't it? Ah. Right, knock that pizza out. Yep, she's out. Knock it off. Right, let's go and see what the job is. Oh, fucking right behind that pipe, look. That is zip tied out, look. Snap that off there. So what am I going to do with that? I don't have to start rebuilding the thing, I just wanted to weld it on. It's a good socket set, this Blue Point socket set. I've had it for years. Barely use anything else now I've got this. I've got to be 10s, haven't they? Yeah, of course they are. Right, come on girl. Cry to the rust gods. Oh, she's coming. Oh, you beauty. She's coming. You blame her. Like her, I think half of them's never even used a bloody grinder. Anyway, get with whizzy wheel. Oh no, we should be alright. Let's have a look. I can get in from that side now. Right, oh, look at that. You know, there's not much left on it, is there? Right, let's try and not chop through any wires. bugger. I want. I could just do with a tack on so I could pull it up, couldn't I? If I just move that up there. Yeah. Right, oh. What have we got in here? An Old Faithful. A good weld of this, I've had it for years. Little inverter. Well, I know you shouldn't leave it coiled up, but I'm going to because I can't be asked to wind it all the way back in. And I'll have done it before that noise it's getting hot. As good as I can get on this shitty metal. Might have a bit hot actually. Run a little weld up there. Right, wish me luck. I think I'm going to have to brace this. It's just that pretty thin. I'm getting it really chip it off. See where it's decent metal, you get a decent weld, but it's just that much rust, it's so thin, you can't really get you can't really get any motion in it. Rod in properly. Right, come on. Cool down, you bugger. Don't you blowing into my eye, glowing fucking red. I've got some up that side there now. See if I can get something a bit better on there, and I'm going to make that do, I think. It's on, like, isn't it? I mean, it was never going to win any beauty contest, was it? It's only a get him going bodge till we can get to it properly. There's a load more work to do on this, I believe. There's some welding in the body and once his steps sorting out and the doors sorting out at the back. Probably have a better go then. Don't lose all my bits. Right, I'm going to make that do. I'm going to make that do for my Sunday beer money. That's it, I made your job. A bit of pressage on it while I'm turning it. My snockets away. drop that down. I made these side lockers for him a while ago. They've held up alright. Hasn't wrecked them yet on both sides. Put all these straps and bits and bobs in, but I best drop the eye up down. Don't want to be taking all the power lines out, do I? Right, which were we? Oh, bloody hell. Still got the valve in, haven't I, for the tipper? You can shut up. Are we ready? Let's get to it. Oh. Tell you what, I better go backwards because I'm going to rip his bloody backlight off now. Come in to fix one job. Cause myself more work. Right. Oh, she's clear now. Look at that. Look at that. Mr. Jeep. He likes his Jeeps. I don't know why. They're shite, aren't they? Each to their own, though. Each to their own. Now we're away. Right, let's get it back in his hidey hole now. Whoa. So you can see where his wheel marks are. See where he went. I think I know it's bloody soft up here. End up sinking, but back axle's on good ground though, so we should be okay. Gently, Bentley. Not in a hurry, are we? Gently, Bentley. Need to be closer to that container, I think. I've moved the container, you see, where I've put the bloody gravel heap, the gravel pits, so you can't get as far over as you used to. But obviously I've got to get that bloody gate shut. Oh, that was fucking close, Ian. Jesus Christ, stop talking and concentrate what you're doing. Oh, he's going to moan like fuck because I blocked his containers in. Well, oh, go on, I'll move it. Get it further over. See if he wants to go in his doors before he goes anywhere in his container. He might need to be in there. Should get it there, like if we get it right up to the fence. I think he'll get his doors open now, won't he? Yeah. I think that's it. Where's the bloody keys gone? Right.